60-Second Army Now. From Soldiers Radio and Television, I'm Anna Allen. The Army helps civilians reach their full potential. Army Civilian University, established earlier this year, was created to ready the civilian force. ACU will take an important step forward earlier next year, assuming responsibility of the Army Management Staff College at the end of January.
The Army Civilian University effort starts with Army Management Staff College as a base element of Army Civilian University. We will build governance systems and try to provide the sort of supervision and overhead support that will make Army Management Staff College a better organization.
Warner says AMSC courses are an Army effort and won't require funds from the civilian's home station.
And there are seats available for any civilian who wants to come learn how to be supervisor or intermediate supervisor or senior supervisor.
That's a 60-Second Army Now.